Due east of the Temecula Valley, metal monsters have taken over a hillside above Highway 79 in the town of Iguana.
Well, it's the amazing roadside metal art sculptures. John Bartell here, making a little pit stop at Ricardo Breceda's outdoor gallery.
Dinosaurs, tigers, and even aliens. The inspiration behind Ricardo Breceda's life-size metal sculptures are pretty much endless.
It's in my head. 23 years of work in this, I can see one thing all around.
Ricardo's roadside gallery is open to the public, but be prepared to do a little walking because his work spans several acres.
Sculpture, statues, either or. A couple, over 1,000 pieces.
You'll often find Ricardo and his team of welders working on their latest creations. Each piece is hand-built out in the open so visitors can watch. How many hours do you spend on this?
Every day, Monday through Friday, we build things.
Before metal sculpting, Ricardo was a cowboy boot salesman. After watching the movie Jurassic Park, his daughter asked for a dinosaur, so he traded a pair of boots for a welder.
The first thing that my daughter wants was a T-Rex. It was dinosaur.
Ricardo ended up building a 20-foot tall T-Rex and several other dinosaurs to go with it. Those sculptures eventually caught the attention of landowner Dennis Avery, who commissioned Ricardo to build 130 sculptures for his desert gallery in Borrego Springs, now known as Galleto Meadows.
6 years to do it, but a lot of people is impressed with Galleto Meadows.
Today, Ricardo makes custom sculptures for people all over the world, and you can see the collection for free.
From Ricardo Breceda's outdoor gallery, I'm John Bartell. Hope to see you on the Backroads.